Silence.
Go ahead.
All right, Summerlin, AJM Packaging Corporation, 3401 Southeast Boulevard. Dan Culp's on the line.
Yep.
He's reporting a backhoe backed into a vehicle. There are no injuries. His cell is 267-897-5831.
Okay, sir, you said it was a backhoe?
Yeah, a backhoe came flying in our parking lot and hit a car, and then that car hit another car parked next to it, and then it looks like the driver drove off.
The driver of the backhoe?
Yeah, the driver of the backhoe. It looks like he fled now. My boss is chasing after him because he went driving down to our parking lot and then into the grass.
Okay.
He told me to call 911. I just walked out on the situation. No one's hurt or anything, though.
Okay, and did your boss catch up to the backhoe?
No, I haven't seen him yet. He just told me to call 911. I've just been trying to figure out what's been going on since.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna. I have officers en route. They should be there soon. And then
I see the backhoe driver right now. He's just driving into our parking lot right now.
Oh, so he's driving into the parking lot now?
Yeah, he's coming in right now.
Okay. Okay, sir. Is he? Can you tell if it's black, white, and is he arguing with you guys?
No.
What's going on, sir?
I'm not. He's coming out the door, it looks like, with the backhoe.
So he's trying to hit the building?
That's what it looked like. Everyone just ran inside. I don't know what this guy's doing.
Okay. All right, stay on the phone with me.
Yeah, I'll be here.
I have 3 officers headed that way.
Okay. He's leaving right now, our parking lot, and he's turning left down the road.
Which way is he going, sir?
He went out of our parking lot and went left, and he's driving down the road right now.
Okay, so which road is that if he went left? Is that Elmer?
Hey, what road is that?
Or is that Butler?
What road is that? No? What road is that?
You said he made left, so he crossed over the boulevard, sir?
I'm not sure what road that is.
But he's not on the boulevard anymore, though, right?
No, he just drove down the... Do you know what road that's called right here?
Is it Sheridan?
Yeah, I don't know what road it's called, but it's right in front of AJM, and he went left outside of our...
So he went down the boulevard, right?
Yeah, it sounds about... I guess so. Yeah, it looks like he might be turning around.
Okay.
I'm not sure what this guy's doing. Driving kind of reckless.
Okay.
You don't know what this road's called, do you?
Southeast Boulevard.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
Southeast Boulevard.
Do you know if it's stolen, if it's a stolen backhoe?
I have no idea.
Okay. Are you the manager there, or?
Yeah, I'm a manager trainee. I'm not one of the big wigs or anything, but yeah.
All right. Do you know if is there another manager there, or are you the only one there?
I'm the only one here right now. The other guy went after they got on the backhoe. He's the one that told me to call 911.
Were the vehicles occupied when he struck him with the backhoe?
No,
Did he do it purposely?
I don't know. I came outside after it happened. Yeah, I'm on the phone with him right now. Oh, okay. I was just talking to another guy, and he said he called 911.
Yeah, he talked to my partner.
Oh, okay.
Okay. All right, they should be pulling into the parking lot now.
Okay.
What did he say, Amy? Oh, thank you. It's southeast.
Copy that, AJ?
911, where's your emergency?
Vineland, it's Cumberland. I have on the line. He's gone from
There's a guy in the excavator riding around hitting vehicles and shit. He said get in the building right now.
I'm sorry. County, go ahead. Calling from stated a person in a excavator run into another vehicle there. Reported no injuries, nothing further. Okay, so it's a collision.
I said get him in there now.
Your caller's last name was. Yes, ma'am. What's his first name?
I want everybody in the building right now.
Was he involved? Were you involved?
No, I'm just a witness in the parking lot right now.
Okay, so two-vehicle collision in the parking lot, no injuries?
No injuries.
All right, we'll get the officers over there.
Yes.
All right, they're on their way.
Okay.
All right, bye-bye.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Run, 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 go! Go, he's after you, go, go! He's crazy, my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's the ambulance.
6, send an ambulance for the other driver here.
It's still out with that other car, and it's on Lincoln Avenue. Get out of the road.
Get out of the road.
Please try to get in front of him.
Where do you need the ambulance?
Everything's everything up to you, unless we're directly involved with this.
6, send it to where the other vehicle was struck by this car.
I just struck a police car.
Fuck, bro.
Hey, is anybody in that car? Do we have a police officer in that car that was just struck?
6, negative. It's my vehicle. 829 and 826 have been totaled.
District being called chief of police. Copy.
Come on.
Hey, man, I'm kind of blind here. Let me know what he's doing. Right behind you. He's going south. Jesus fucking Christ. 2 police cars completely destroyed.
Are you alright?
No, I'm in shock.
Okay.
We're headed
I'm going to work.
Pennsylvania.
All right, come back to
Come on. We're
Sit
gonna
down
have
on
you
this.
sit down. Okay.
At this point, this is a pursuit. We are in pursuit of this
I'm gonna
vehicle right
see
now.
if this person will open the door for us.
Watch my stuff now. There we go.
Christ.
Chief, you on radio? I need somebody to go to that house and make sure everybody's okay. I need an officer to go to that house that was just struck.
Jimmy, I'm right here. Just let me know if he comes back my way so I don't get fucking hit by my dog's in the car.
Louis, I need you to stay with him. I can't see. He just turned off somewhere else.
Alright, well, I'm the only one down here.
He's in. If he, Louis, you gotta get up here with me. You just struck another vehicle.
What's he doing, Jimmy?
Stuck on a tree. All right, going back into the complex here. I need more guys from the shift up here with this guy. in.
Copy. He's going in the house, dude. We gotta do something now.
All right. Hey, they're screaming. Louis, you gotta get up here. Shots fired. Shots fired.
Copy, shot fired.
Watch. Get it off. Get it off. Right here. It's okay, Louis. It's okay, Louis. We gotta do what we gotta do. Come on. Check the houses.
It's good. Multiple gunshot wounds here. Over here now. We're only down by... I need guys in here with me. I gotta start checking these houses.
No. As of right now, no officers injured. No. Truck. Also, my police vehicle. I'm going to be checking another resident. Hello?
Going right for a house here. Jimmy, he just went off. He's hitting. He's going right into a house, Jim. Right into a house.
Possibly stuck now. Never mind, he's out. Chief, you on radio? I need somebody to go to that house and make sure everybody's okay. I need an officer to go to that house that was just struck.
Jimmy, I'm right here. Just let me know if he comes back my way so I don't get fucking hit by my dogs in the car.
Louis, I need you to stay with him. I can't see. He just turned off somewhere else.
All right, well, I'm the only one down here.
He's in.
Fuck!
Louis, you gotta get up here with me.
I'm coming.
They just struck another vehicle.
What's he doing, Jimmy?
Stuck on a tree. Alright, going back into the complex here. I need more guys from the shift up here with this guy. And
He's going in the houses, Jimmy. We gotta do something now.
all right.
Is he still inside?
Gotta get up here.
I don't know how to, man.
Right here.
I had to.
It's okay, Louis.
Fuck.
It's okay, Louis. We gotta do what we gotta do. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Check houses. Check houses. District 8. Multiple gunshot wounds to him. Please send EMS in here now. We're all the way down by. I need guys in here with me. I gotta start checking these houses.
Copy, sir. I just want to confirm no officers were injured, correct?
No.
No. As of right now, no.
CPR! CPR! You guys got gloves? CPR!
Going for a house here. Jimmy, he just went off. He's hitting. He's going right into a house, Jim. Right into a house.
Possibly stuck now. Never mind, he's out. This fucking kid is insane. Come on, Rosa.
Chief, you on radio? I need somebody to go to that house and make sure everybody's okay. I need an officer to go to that house that was just struck.
Jimmy, I'm right here. Just let me know if he comes back my way so I don't get fucking hit by my dog's in the car.
I need you to stay with him. I can't see. He just turned off somewhere else.
Alright, well, I'm the only one down here.
Lou, you gotta get up here with me.
Coming.
He just struck another vehicle.
What's he doing, Jimmy?
Stuck on a tree. Alright, going back into the complex here. I need more guys from the shift up here with this guy.
That way, that way, that way! Bob, make sure he doesn't turn towards you!
Yeah.
Copy.
He's going in the house, dude. We gotta do something now. Alright.
Go inside.
They're screaming. We gotta get up here.
Shots fired, shots fired. He's stuck, he's stuck. Get him out, get him out. Get him out. He's dead in there, son. He dropped. We gotta get him out. Turn it off, turn it off. Handcuff, 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 handcuff. Handcuff, hold up. Where the fuck's his hand? Flip him, flip him, flip him. Stand in your mess. Get him up, get him up, get him up. Where's your shot? We have to render. We gotta render. He's shot in the face. Fuck.
Copy, sir. I just want to confirm no officers were injured, correct?
We can't really.
No.
Go inside!
Right now, no officers injured.
What is that? CPR. CPR. CPR.
We're going to be checking another
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.